So guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use coco peat, a block which you get online or even in the market. So how you can make it this way and use it by storing. So this is 5 kgs of coco peat which I have taken. So this is organic coco peat and this is how it is available in the market. Even if you see online, you will get this cube of 5 kgs around, and it will cost you around 200 to 250 rupees, and you can get it. Now I'll show you how can you use this cube, because this cube is very hard. So how we will use this coco peat and how we can store the rest of the coco peat for future use. So this is a very big tub I have taken. You can take a bit more wider tub if you have. So this is an iron one. You can also take a plastic one, that doesn't matter really. And I have poured little water into this. So I'll break the coco peat and put it into this and then pour more water if required. Okay. So I have taken the 5 kgs of coco peat and I have broken it half into small pieces with the help of a screwdriver, because this was not fitting in the bowl. So most of you might face the same problem. So half a block you can just cut into pieces with the help of a screwdriver or a hammer or anything, and the rest you can keep it like this, and now you can pour water over this. So I have poured enough water now, and I'll let it leave for almost half an hour, and then we'll see how the coco peat gets swollen up. So now you can see how much the coco peat has increased in quantity. It has completely swollen. So see, this is a complete brick here, right? So the water is it is not able to soak into the water. So what you can do is, in between you can just pull it out with your hand like this. So this is still more hard. So you can pull such parts with your hand and add more water in between. So after soaking the 5 kg block of coco peat, this is the amount of coco peat I have got, and I feel the coco peat in the tray can still be swollen up, but it didn't get much space, I guess. So going ahead, when I use, I can soak the coco peat for some time and then might be use it. But still, the amount of coco peat that we have got out of the 5 kg block is too huge. This is one big bucket. One big bucket is filled, and on the top of that, this is a tub full of coco peat, which can still be swollen up. I just have partially done. So this is how you can buy a 5 kg block of coco peat in the market or online also, and you can just put it in water and make it this way, and then you can store it in a very big bag or any plastic cover or anything. Wherever you want to store, you can store it, so that every time you don't need to take a block of coco peat and put it in water and then use it. That is a very big process. So it's better at a time you do it, and then you can use it whenever you want it. So hope you like the video, and I'll meet you with a new concept in a new video.